Chinese mobile manufacturer Tecno recently launched 4 new devices to the Kenyan market in the Spark series. At Hapa Kenya, we got our hands on a Tecno Spark 10 and we'll take you through our first impressions of the device. The device is packaged in a box that's colored white and orange and has its name printed on the front face, the left and the right sides of the box. The top of the box and the back have stickers attached which contain product specification for the device within. The bottom of the box is plain. Apart from the clear plastic wrap that the box is covered in, the top edge at the back of the box is further secured with a serrated tab that you have to tear to open the box. This is just an added layer of security to ensure that nothing is taken out of the box in transit. Once open, you'll find the Tecno Spark 10 in the box, wrapped in a plastic sleeve that has product name and specifications printed on it. Underneath that is a cutout that, when is lifted, reveals a storage space for a SIM tray extractor, a warranty card, a clear silicone case that fits snugly on the phone, a USB to Type-C charging cable, a pair of earphones, and a charging brick. The Tecno Spark 10 has a 6.6-inch display with a screen-to-body ratio of about 85%. It's a monolithic screen with a very slim earpiece at the top edge of the device, and underneath that is an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The right edge of the device has the volume buttons and the power button, which also serves to lock the phone's screen. The bottom edge has the surround speaker, the Type-C charging slot, a microphone for phone calls, and the 3.5mm jack for the earphones. The left edge of the device has the SIM tray that supports 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card for expanded storage. The top edge of the device is plain. At the back, we have the dual 50 megapixels camera and an LED flashlight. The device takes about 20 seconds between power up and initialization when it is now ready for use. Storage, the Tecno Spark 10 comes with 128 gigabytes of read-only memory and 16 gigabytes of random access memory, which can be further extended by 8 gigabytes more. For storage, the Tecno Spark 10 comes with 128 gigabytes of read-only memory and 16 gigabytes of random access memory, which can be further extended by 8 gigabytes more. The Spark is powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery that has an 18-watt fast charge power brick. The device's camera has a variety of modes that include slow motion, video capture, AI camera, and augmented reality shots, to mention a few. These allow the user to explore their creative side when it comes to capturing photos and videos on the device. The high-definition screen has a 90 Hz refresh rate that makes browsing on the Tecno Spark seamless. These are our first impressions of the Tecno Spark 10. Check out more reviews at www.hapakenya.com.